He didn't have much. Just a single coin, $10. No one told him it could grow. No one told him it could become a forest. They told him to spend it on candy, on games, on things that vanish. But he didn't. He buried it. And then he waited. Not for a miracle, but for time to do what time does best. He didn't know the math. He didn't know the rule, but he believed in growth. This is the story of how $10, just $10, can change everything. If you understand one simple rule, welcome to Smart Coin Studio. Today, we're not just talking about money, we're talking about transformation, about how small choices echo through time, about how a single decision can shape a lifetime. Let's begin. Most people spend $10 without thinking. A coffee here, a snack there. It's gone in minutes, forgotten in hours. It feels harmless. But it adds up. $10 a week becomes $520 a year. Over 30 years, that's $15,600 spent. Consumed, forgotten. What if that $10 wasn't spent? What if it was planted? The secret isn't magic, it's math. And it starts with something called the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a shortcut. It tells you how long it takes for your money to double. Here's how it works. Take the number 72 and divide it by your interest rate. If you invest at 6% interest, 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years. Your money doubles every 12 years. That means $10 becomes $20, then $40, then $80, and so on. That's 10 doublings, and guess what? That's what happens in 72 years at 6% interest. One tiny seed becomes a forest, and the earlier you plant it, the bigger it grows. Here's where it gets real. The earlier you start, the more time you give your money to grow. Let's compare two people. Person A gets 5 doublings by age 80, $10 to $320. Person B only gets 3 doublings, $10 to $80. That's a 4 times difference. Not because of luck, not because of income. Just time. Same seed. Different forest. Time is the multiplier, and compound interest is the magic. The earlier you plant, the deeper the roots. The stronger the growth, the richer the legacy. Let's say you invest $10 every week. That's $520 a year. At 8% interest, your money doubles every 9 years. After 9 years, $1,000. After 18 years, $2,000. After 27 years, $4,000. After 36 years, $8,000. After 45 years, $16,000. After 54 years, $32,000. After 63 years, $64,000. After 72 years, $128,000 from $10 a week. That's the power of consistency. That's the power of compound interest. It's not about being rich. It's about being intentional, about letting time work for you, not against you. But not every seed grows. Some get eaten by debt. Others get scorched by inflation. Some never get planted at all. That's $15,600 gone. No forest, no legacy, just receipts. And it's not just fast food. It's subscriptions. It's impulse buys. It's the quiet leak that drains your future. The enemy isn't poverty, it's impatience. The belief that small things don't matter, but they do. Especially when they compound. Especially when they're consistent. But when you shift your mindset, when you plant instead of spend, you build something bigger than yourself. You build freedom, you build pride, you build a future. And it all starts with a decision. Not a big one, just a small one. Repeated, protected, nurtured. You don't need $1,000. You don't need a finance degree, you need $10. And a decision. A decision to stop letting small amounts slip away. A decision to start building something, slowly, quietly, powerfully, because every forest starts with a seed, and every legacy begins with a choice. Start today. Plant your first seed. Let time do the rest. Your future isn't built in a day, but it can begin in one. Do you remember the person at the beginning of this video? He didn't have much, just a single coin. But he planted it, and it grew into shade, into shelter, into legacy. The forest wasn't just his. It became a gift. A quiet victory passed down. A reminder that small things, when nurtured, become great. Smart coin studio finance that feels. Wealth that grows.